Hello, welcome to our vlog, and now we're currently here at Barangay, at the town of Albor, and we don't know where we're going because we're only following this beautiful bridge, and we don't know, not yet, where's the end. Right, Zabia? Yeah, we're still following the beautiful wood. Yeah, it's made of wood. It's like we're meant to be here. Harap. Surya Padira, cameraman.
Wala.
Oh,
I'm
there's
just
two.
enjoying
Uy,
walking.
ba't ako? Introducing here. There's two. Uy, nindot rin yung picture later. Oh, they're so eco-friendly. Why? Tanawa. Oh. Tanawa.
Eh,
We're almost at the end of the bridge. So, for the hamak, guys.
down tapi gituls na.
Gilugo ah. Saka na noy. Yan na.